Hey guys, so today I created this look using the Morphe Manny Mua Glam palette. I love watching Manny's tutorials. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. So I got this in a BoxyCharm and it has so many beautiful warm tones, purples, and this beautiful blue-brown multi-tone shade which I use. Like, this is my favorite shade in the palette. But there's some mixed reviews on this palette. I would have to say I agree with the reviews that this palette can be difficult to work with. However, I did achieve this look. I'm happy the way it turned out, but it did require a lot of blending. There's a lot of patchiness, a lot of effort to achieve this look, and usually I don't have those problems when using Morphe eyeshadows. So yeah, we'll jump right into the tutorial. I use the shades Boy Next Door, Spellbound, Saya, How, and Aries, and Cancer. I used quite a few. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I'm going to set it with the CoverGirl Banana Powder. On a Morphe JH30, I'm going to take the shade Boy Next Door, which is this beautiful transition shade, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease area. On a Morphe JH33, I'm going to go with the shade Saya, that darker brown right there. And I'm going to go right into the crease and lower crease. And then I'm going to take a Morphe 507, go with the shade Spellbound. I don't think this palette is terrible, but I could see why people did not give it that good of reviews, because it's just like it's not really blending or building like I want it to, but it's not like a terrible, it's not terrible, but it's just not fantastic either. Then I go with the shade How. I go with the shade How on a Morphe M507. Same thing, just bringing this into the crease because I am going to cut it. Yeah, I definitely see what people are saying about this palette. It's really not, I don't know, it's not like a good Morphe palette. It's like the colors aren't like blending or doing really that much. I don't know. I'm gonna cut my crease with the Morphe M124 brush and the P. Louise eyeshadow base. Then I'm going to take this tiny shader brush by Morphe, the JH42, and I'm going to pack on the shade Aries, this beautiful multi-tone blue brown shade. With the Morphe M507, I'm going to go back in with the shade Hollow, and I'm going to pack that on the outer V. Wow, this is like really patchy. Not a really big fan of, I'm not a big fan of this, honestly. Like I like the way it's turning out, but like this, for a Morphe palette, they don't usually do this, so bummed. I'm gonna take my finger in the shade Cancer, which is that beautiful purple, and I'm gonna tap that in between the dark brown and the blue. My eyeshadow's like breaking up. No, it's working. I'm gonna go with it, but definitely I see why the reviews weren't that good. Then I'm gonna take the Morphe M507 and I'm gonna blend the shade Spellbound underneath my bottom lash line. Palette. This is not a Morphe palette. Now I know exactly why it had so many bad reviews. I was kind of confused, but now I know. Now I know. I'm gonna take some Pretty Easy eyeliner by Clinique, and I'm gonna wing out my eyeliner. So next, I'm just going to run a Q-tip on my bottom lash line. And I'm going to apply Rimmel London's Nude Eyeliner. I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to go in with the highlight Apollo. And then apply some Twilight Kiss lashes. And so that completes this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe.